Hi, welcome to Intervals. This is an introduction to a heavily requested feature, being able to assign a default work type with a person. So when time is added, the work type is automatically selected. This helps expedite time entries for those who use the same work type over and over, and for those customers that have a lot of work types in their dropdowns. This can help prevent errors when adding time and accidentally selecting the wrong work type. Administrators can set the default work type for any user in the user profile page. The default work type must be active in the Defaults and Settings section in order to be used as a user's default work type. For manager and resource users, the work types follow their project permissions. Just like normal work types, they will only be able to set a default work type that is available to the projects they have been granted access. This will prevent someone from adding time to a work type that they don't have access to. If you happen to not see a work type that you're expecting to see, this is most likely the reason. In this example, I'll set the default work type to sysadmin. Then if I go and apply time to a task for Dumbledore, it will be selected automatically. The work type can always be changed to something else if the default isn't what you want. So for me, you can see I don't have a default set, so it will work the same as it always has and prompt you to select a work type. Now that example was from an administrator user perspective. From the manager and resource user perspective, they can set this themselves as well. So let's say Dumbledore is going to be doing some engineering work for a while. He can go in and change it so his default is engineering. Then when he applies a timer, that will be selected automatically. As previously mentioned, the availability of these work types follows the user's project permissions. It also is controlled by the project settings. So Dumbledore may work on a project that uses site strategy as a work type, and so he sets that as his default. If he then applies time to a task that is associated with a different project that doesn't use that work type, then as you can see here, it will default to choose a work type. We hope this feature will help expedite time entries and cut down on errors. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@myintervals.com. Thanks and have a great day.